Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss where should you not install a mini split. Mini splits are efficient and offer zone temperature control, but their placement is crucial. Incorrect installation can lead to increased costs and problems. Places to avoid installing a mini split. Avoid installing mini splits in areas with direct sunlight, such as south-facing walls or unshaded areas, and near heat sources like fireplaces. Direct heat can damage the unit and reduce its efficiency. Avoid placing near heat and moisture sources. Mini splits should not be installed near major heat or moisture sources, which can decrease efficiency and lifespan. Keep them away from direct sunlight, well ventilated, and away from high humidity areas. Don't install in uninsulated spaces. Installing mini splits in uninsulated spaces like garages, attics, or basements reduces efficiency and lifespan. These areas experience extreme temperature changes that can damage the unit. Avoid rooms with limited air circulation. Mini splits need good airflow to operate efficiently. Avoid installing them in rooms with limited circulation like basements, attics, and garages. Choose open areas like living rooms, bedrooms, or dens for best performance. Don't mount above eye level. Installing a mini split above eye level makes it difficult to see and maintain. Mounting at eye level ensures easy access for maintenance and allows you to quickly notice any issues with the unit. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini split store online. Have a great rest of your day.